If I put bay leaf on it, then oh, my chicken is cooking so well. Then I started preparing the rice. Yeah, I put a little oil in the rice. Then I started cooking my stew. Yeah, put some ginger and garlic, blend it all into the cooking oil, and also some green pepper, onion, and cabbage. Yeah, then that's me stirring it. I put some seasoning and my tomato paste. Ooh. Then I pour some of the chicken stock on the stew, little pepper. Then I air fry the chicken, and that's me putting the chicken inside the stew and adding some more vegetables to make it good. So yeah, that's it. They're still looking so good, and ooh, the aroma is so nice, and the whole thing tastes so good. At this point, I covered it a little bit to cook a little bit, and my rice is ready. Food is ready, and everything tasted so delicious. And see you soon. Bye.
Stop it.
What do you want me to stop? But I'm cooking back.
I'm going to cut your legs
Eh?
because of you did not.